and they feel it, and they come up, and they throw it, and then they get back in line. And then we go to this line, and this is why we call it the imagination drill. They put a ball in their glove, and they go, and they make a play, and they set their feet, and then they make a throw, and then they get back in line. So we call it the imagination drill because of that line. They're being creative with how they move with the ball. They're setting their feet. They're making a strong, accurate throw. And generally, it's an active warm-up. It's an up-paced warm-up. Okay? Throwing on the run. It doesn't look like this. I think so many times we get caught up. It doesn't look like this. They throw on the run like a rundown, and then they go back in line. And then we switch together. Every line slides left. The next phase, and this is what I started doing, I really like this. This line becomes the imagination line. So they put a ball in their glove hand, and they go, and they glove it, spin, and then they throw it accurately in there. The middle line becomes a tag. So if Billy's going to throw me the ball, I'm a shortstop, I'm a second baseman, I cover it up, I put the tag on, and then I reverse pivot and throw it in there. And we teach our middle infielders to be one-handed with that move. You know, the older kids probably will be, but some of our younger kids, they got to get away from this. We want to get them to boom, and then maybe it's a first and third play where you put your tag on and refocus back to the plate. Billy talked last time about covering the bag, going in front of the bag, and then drop stepping to put the tag on. The reason being is if I'm straddling the bag and the throw takes me over here, now I'm engaged with the runner, and more than likely I'll abandon it and the ball will be thrown away. But if I'm in front of the bag and the throw takes me over, I can at least save an error. So, you know, if you're going to do this, we'll do it right. We'll move in front, and then we'll drop step, put it on, and then come up and throw. And then this line becomes one of two things. You'll have a coach hustle out and set a still ball on the ground. And then this line, if you're right-handed, it becomes a third base play where they pick it up like a bunt, make that nice, aggressive, athletic play. If you're a lefty, you would never do that. So if you're a lefty, what I'd have my lefties do with this imagination